Namaste everyone, and welcome to day 19 of our meditation challenge. In today's session, we are going to focus on Drishti, meditation using our eyes. So let's begin with today's practice. Come into a comfortable sitting position on your mat. You can sit cross-legged. You can also put your back against the wall so you can sit a little straighter. Otherwise, you can also sit up on a chair. So once you've come into this position, lengthen your spine up. Bring your hands into Gyan Mudra at your knees. Roll your shoulders back and gently close your eyes. With your eyes closed, bring all your attention completely onto yourself and your breath. You're allowing the body to completely relax. You're allowing it to feel gentle, to feel calm, and to feel collected. We'll take a few deep and long breaths here. Inhale. And now, slowly and gently, we're going to start working with our Drishti. In the first segment, we'll do it with our eyes open, and then we'll move towards doing all these practices with our eyes closed. So now gently open your eyes. Stay in that same state of mind, and you're going to start by taking the right hand straight in front of you. Alright? Such that your thumb is up right at the front. You're gazing at the tip of your thumb or the thumbnail, and we're going to keep our eyes open and continue to look at this thumb for as long as we can. If your hands start hurting, you can even rest it and come back, or you can completely release it. Okay, so don't feel like you have to match what I'm doing or your own expectations. Just do what feels right to you. So let's come back into this position and open eyes, looking at the thumb. Focus, concentrate, and meditate with your eyes open. You can continue blinking normally. Two more breaths, looking at your thumb, keeping the hands steady. And now gently take your thumb to your right side. Only the thumb, my neck is in the center. And once you bring it all the way to the right, only look at the thumb from the corner of your eyes. So your neck is still in front and you keep looking at the thumb and trying to meditate on the tip. Keep breathing. And then slowly and gently bring your thumb back. Release the hand and relax. Okay, so we're holding for just short periods of time to get used to this practice. It takes a while for the eyes to be able to stay long and to stay open. All right, now let's take the left hand up, same practice, straight in front, other hand in Gyan Mudra. Continue to look at the tip of your thumb and stay and breathe. You're learning to focus your mind even with your eyes open. Just looking at the tip of your thumb, keeping your gaze entirely on the tip of your thumb. And then slowly take your left thumb as you continue to look at it, neck in front, only the eyes moving, and take it all the way to the left. Continue to look at the thumb from the corner of your eye. And then gently start to bring your thumb back in the front. Look at it for 2 more breaths. And slowly now, release the left hand. Close your eyes and allow the eyes to relax. So here we practiced a very simple one where we just looked at the thumb in the front and on the side, trying to apply the principles of one-pointed focus using our eyesight. Let's stay silent now for a few moments before we go to the next drishti. And now we'll slowly open our eyes once again. We're now going to learn the next type of drishti which helps with meditation, known as Bhrumadhya Drishti, which means looking at the point between your eyebrows. Also, we focused on the third eye chakra, so you can consider it the same spot. Alright, so you're going to sit up tall, same thing. Just look at that point between your eyebrows. Initially, we'll do it for a few breaths with the eyes open, and then we'll do the same with the eyes closed. Alright, so let's meditate with the eyes open first. Sit up tall. Take your eyeballs and look between the eyebrows. Breathe in and out. Few more breaths. And gently now close your eyes. Try and see what you experienced while aiming to look between the eyebrows. And then gently, let's repeat the same practice with our eyes closed. So we take the eyeballs, eyes closed, and try to look between the eyebrows. Two more breaths. Eyes closed, looking at the space between the eyebrows. And then gently release the gaze. Bring the eyeballs back to normal. And just see the after effects of the practice. How do your eyes feel? How does your mind feel after gazing at different points? And keep breathing for a few more seconds as we move towards our last form of the Drishti for today. And now, let's move towards the next form of Drishti. Open your eyes gently. This form is known as the Nasagra Drishti, where we focus on the tip of the nose. So we're going to try that with our eyes open first, and then we'll do it with the eyes closed. So you sit up tall. Take your eyeballs and gaze at the center or tip of your nose and hold that for a few seconds. Keep breathing. Just a few more breaths. Then gently close your eyes. Allow the eyelids to completely relax and release. And we repeat the same drishti with the eyes closed now, taking the eyes and looking towards the tip of the nose. Your eyeballs move in that direction and you hold for a couple of breaths and stay. And now, once you've finished, gently allow your eyes to relax as they come back to the normal position. And then slowly and gently, just focus on coming back to normal. We've moved our eyes in a lot of different directions. So rest your eyes. And then let's slowly bring our attention back. As you come back, bring your hands into a Namaste at the chest, and together we will chant 3 Oms. Let's inhale. Inhale. And inhale one more time. Gently rub your palms together to generate some heat. And when you're ready, place the palms on your eyelids. Gently release and bring it in front of your chest. Open your eyes to look at the hands and slowly come back. So this was our meditation practice for today. I know that it was a little different from our usual practices, where basically we use the help of our vision to focus on one point for a couple of seconds and then move to the next one. So if you'd like to enhance this practice, you can choose any one drishti or type of visualization and just focus on that. So you can choose the middle of your eyebrows, the nose, or any of the other ones and focus on those for a longer period of time. I hope this has helped you, and we look forward to seeing you in the next session for day 20. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Namaste.